Have you ever wondered why wood remains to be the most popular material for furniture making? Wood has long been revered as one of the most popular materials for furniture, and its enduring appeal can be attributed to a combination of aesthetic, functional, and environmental factors. From ancient civilizations to contemporary design, wood continues to be a favored choice among artisans, designers, and homeowners alike. The reasons behind this popularity are multifaceted, encompassing the natural beauty of wood, its versatility, durability, and sustainability, as well as the emotional connections it fosters. One of the primary reasons wood remains a top furniture material is its innate beauty. Wood possesses a warmth and richness that few other materials can match. The unique grain patterns, colors, and textures of various wood species create a visual appeal that adds character and depth to any space. Whether it's the rich hues of mahogany, the light tones of maple, or the rustic charm of reclaimed barnwood, each type of wood has its own distinct personality. This natural beauty allows wood furniture to complement a wide range of interior design styles, from traditional to modern, making it a versatile option for any homeowner. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture ideas and small wood decor ideas you can make as mini woodworking projects. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to its aesthetic qualities, wood is also highly functional. It can be crafted into a variety of forms and shapes, allowing for innovative designs that meet the needs of different spaces. Wood can be easily carved, shaped, and finished, enabling artisans to create everything from sleek, minimalist pieces to intricate, ornate designs. This adaptability makes wood suitable for various applications, accommodating diverse tastes and preferences. The ability to customize wood furniture further enhances its appeal, as consumers can select pieces that align with their personal style and functional requirements. Durability is another critical factor contributing to the popularity of wood as a furniture material. When properly cared for, wood can last for generations. Unlike synthetic materials that may degrade or become damaged over time, high-quality wood furniture can withstand daily wear and tear, making it a wise investment for homeowners. Solid wood pieces are particularly sturdy, often improving with age as they develop a rich patina that adds to their charm. This longevity not only saves consumers money in the long run, but also reduces the need for frequent replacements, aligning with sustainable living practices. The emotional connection that wood furniture fosters also plays a significant role in its continued popularity. Many people have fond memories associated with wooden furniture, whether it's a family dining table where cherished gatherings took place or a rocking chair passed down through generations. This sentimental value can create a sense of belonging and nostalgia, making wooden pieces more than just functional items. They become part of the family narrative. The tactile nature of wood also invites touch, creating an engaging sensory experience that enhances the emotional bond between the furniture and its users. Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important consideration in today's world, and wood is often viewed as a more environmentally friendly option compared to synthetic materials. When sourced responsibly, wood is a renewable resource that can be harvested without depleting the Earth's natural reserves. Many manufacturers prioritize sustainable forestry practices, ensuring that trees are replanted and ecosystems are preserved. This commitment to sustainability appeals to environmentally conscious consumers who seek to minimize their ecological footprint. By choosing wood furniture, individuals can feel confident that they're making a positive impact on the planet. The versatility of wood also extends to its compatibility with other materials. Wood can be combined with metal, glass, or fabric to create striking contrasts and enhance the overall design of furniture. This ability to blend with other elements allows for a wide range of creative expressions, making wood an ideal choice for designers looking to push the boundaries of traditional furniture design. The combination of materials can result in unique, modern pieces that retain the warmth and character of wood while incorporating contemporary aesthetics. Moreover, wood has a natural ability to regulate humidity and improve indoor air quality. Unlike synthetic materials that may release harmful chemicals, wood can absorb moisture and release it slowly, helping to maintain a comfortable living environment. This quality is particularly beneficial in creating healthy homes, as it contributes to better air quality and overall well-being. The presence of wood in interior spaces has been shown to evoke feelings of calmness and relaxation, further enhancing its desirability as a furniture material. The cultural significance of wood also cannot be overlooked. Throughout history, wood has been a symbol of craftsmanship and artistry. Many cultures have deep-rooted traditions surrounding woodworking, with techniques passed down through generations. This cultural heritage adds an additional layer of meaning to wood furniture, as consumers appreciate the skill and artistry involved in creating each piece. Supporting local artisans and craftsmen who use traditional methods fosters a sense of community and connection, reinforcing the value of wood as a material with rich cultural significance. In the realm of trends, wood continues to adapt and evolve, ensuring its relevance in contemporary design. The rise of biophilic design, which emphasizes the connection between humans and nature, has contributed to the renewed interest in wood furniture. As people seek to bring natural elements into their homes, wood serves as a perfect conduit for this desire. Its organic qualities and natural textures resonate with a growing appreciation for the outdoors, making wood an essential component of modern interior design. The trend toward minimalism has also bolstered the popularity of wood furniture. As individuals seek to declutter their living spaces and embrace simplicity, wooden pieces often embody the clean lines and understated elegance that characterize minimalist design. The timeless quality of wood allows it to fit seamlessly into various minimalist aesthetics, reinforcing its status as a staple in modern homes. Additionally, the rise of DIY culture has made woodworking more accessible to the average person. With the availability of online tutorials and resources, many individuals are now taking on woodworking projects themselves, creating custom pieces that reflect their personal style. This hands-on approach not only fosters creativity, but also deepens the emotional connection to the furniture, as individuals invest time and effort into crafting items that hold personal significance. The growing interest in DIY woodworking has further solidified wood's status as a preferred material among enthusiasts and hobbyists. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture ideas and small wood decor ideas you can make as mini woodworking projects. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.